Morning, I'm Allison Walsh and I'm with Guaranteed Real Estate Services. I'm standing in front of one of our new homes up for sale, and it's not on MLS yet. Let me ask you a question. Are you looking for a home that has loads of extra living space in it, in an executive neighborhood that offers your children, whether they're in elementary grades or high school grades, to walk to their schools each morning? Pretty rare these days. They also have the opportunity of a community center that also has a skateboard park for all those skateboard enthusiasts. Now, Mom, inside it is a beautiful decorated home, hardwood floors, a kitchen that is more than family size. It has a kitchen island. It has loads of counter and cupboard space, as well as large enough for a large kitchen table. Dad, what we have for you is a beautifully finished basement that you can call your own. So it has something for everyone in the family. Join me after this and you'll see loads of inside pictures. We invite you to give us a call to have your own private viewing with one of the Walsh & Volk members. We can be reached at 905-332-2207. Mom and Dad, don't worry if you have a home to sell. If you work with us, we have a program that takes that dilemma out, and that dilemma of, I already own a home, how can I buy this one? Well, we offer your home sold, guaranteed, or we'll buy it, that allows you to buy this house firm. So give us a call, talk to us about this home, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions about our program. Have a great day.
For watching our video. I'm Allison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. we support Juravinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.